What do you have?
Hiccups. Look at how I do them. Wait. One more hiccup. You can see all my hiccups.
Let me see. That's not a hiccup. You made believe.
One more.
What are you thinking of?
I'm thinking of like.
Sit right down. Where are you going? I need to see you.
I'm thinking like going.
You need to sit down.
I'm thinking like I'm going into a.
Okay, sit
car.
back. Sit all the way back. Thank you. So what are you thinking of? Why are you giving me the two fingers? No, you're gonna poke your eyes out. I thought you were gonna show me how to hiccup.
Oh.
They're gone?
No, they're still here.
Where are they?
Coming right around.
How do you know when they're coming? No, you're making believe. They're gone.
No.
Your hiccups left?
They're still here.
Where are they?
That is a real hiccup.
That was not real.
That's it was.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, no more?
No.
Are you? I don't think your hiccups are going anywhere. Okay, I guess you're gonna stay with your hiccups all day. Aw.
No, I'm okay. I'm just a little bit sick. So.
Where are you going, Missy? You can't leave without me. Have a seat. Say bye-bye.
No, stay here for one moment.
What are you gonna say?
I said, you want my hiccup? Good. Done.
Done. Goodbye.
Wait.
All right. You gotta make up your mind.
Okay, good.
We're done.
No.
We're done. Say goodbye.